Alright, we got a customer that has what he says an intermittent lockout. It goes off once a week for the past couple weeks. He's had to hit the reset button on it, so we'll go over there and go through it and see what we can find. Alright, let's see. Error 1. No ignition. 7 cycles ago. Error 2. No ignition. 41 cycles ago. Oop. Error 3. No ignition. 1100. That's 100 days ago. You gotta figure what, 10 a day sometimes? Alright, well, check the igniter.
Hot.
Take it apart.
Back in.
You know what it has? It has the...
That thing.
Yeah. Get in there, see what happens.
Mm-hmm. That's what.
Yeah, look at it, it's all worn out.
Yep.
What's it at now? As you can see, the burner coupling is worn out and it's probably jumping on the teeth there. Yeah, it's all egged out here too.
Yeah. That's it.
Beckett had this bright idea to make this centrifugal coupling. What it does is it shuts the air off when the burner is off. But when it starts to spin, it pulls open like that. And they get stuck or they explode in a million pieces. So whenever you see these, yank them out and just put a regular coupling in. You'll thank me.